It's actually
Yeah, I'm gonna beat this. Oh my goodness, I'm going so fast.
Let's go! I'm doing so good!
Oh. Okay, and I beat this in my normal account.
Yes, what did they get? Yes! The Heart Tower only gave us like 10.
Yeah. Let's go. That was so easy.
Okay,
Let's see
now
if I...
do one more tower. And then one more tower.
Oh. Okay, one more tower.
You need one more tower. Wait, do like tower. Wait, check like the beginner's tower. I think I haven't beaten one of those yet. Oh yeah.
All.
I'm so good. I beat 4 towers.
You know, a lot of fans came out in my AC in my sister's room.
Oh,
Yeah. I had to sleep in the other room with Mama.
did you like it?
Yeah. It's just that in the morning my eyes became itchy.
Oh,
Yeah. I just because there were still ants on the mattress. Okay, you haven't beaten hence sweating.
when I tried that, I fell.
Yeah. And then you told me I screamed like a girl.
Oh yeah, with that tower.
And then you fell on the tightrope twice.
Oh yeah, it was that tower.
Yeah. And then you keep calling me the laggy nanny because I keep lagging.
Yeah,
This tower's there's
and it was true. You kept lagging.
yeah. This tower's not that good but it has some funny experience.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like saying bad movie but great experience. The Minecraft movie.
Yeah, that was good. I wish we could watch that again.
It's just that the story doesn't make sense.
Bro, even Technoblade showed it.
Yeah, I know.
Right, because he's the actual legend. He's the
Yeah,
first
he's a
ever-
legend.
He's the first ever person to beat Dream.
Yeah, he's really good.
But still respect the Dream.
Yeah, he's a good guy. Is he actually a good guy? Techno.
Yeah.
Oh.
He like says I remember him say like never give up on your dreams, I think.
I think he deserves to go to heaven. Oh wait.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He already died because of cancer.
Yeah. Yeah. I know.
Yeah, Technoblade never dies. And then he got and then he did not and he died within cancer.
Yes, I.
Oh that died.
Yeah. That's why I always try to stay healthy. I'm scared of cancer. Because cancer has no cure.
No, there is.
Oh? There's none.
There is. Tell us in the comments, look. First they have to make you bald. No, it's actually true. You have to be bald and then
Andrew
and,
Tate.
and then they open then they have to open your head. And then take a tissue, I think a tissue from your head. And then there. And then they sew up the head. I think, oh shoot. And then I became hungry. That's what my friends told me.
What if it's false information?
Bruh, it was the smartest kid in the class.
Okay. What if he's joking?
I asked him if he was joking. He said, I don't know. Like, tell Google. Ask Google or ChatGPT.
ChatGPT.
Even in church, they say like never use AI.
Yeah.
What do you call that? Not the natural IQ.
Yeah. Like you're just being easy.
Yeah, you're like asking stuff you don't know to AI. AI kind of like knows everything.
Yeah.
Except Bro Garden. Someone asked him how much is a candy blossom worth if it had every mutation? You know what ChatGPT said?
What?
2 gems.
Gems.
Yeah, it's not even Bro Garden. Everything
It's
is
great.
just-
Yeah, ChatGPT is really dumb. You know what I said?
What?
I said, how do you get better when playing as the Forsaken Killers? Jason, Cool Kid, 1X, and John Doe. You know what ChatGPT said?
What?
Okay, look.
Become better.
No. Then one of this, ChatGPT mentioned that one of the killer's abilities has a jump scare. That's what ChatGPT said.
That's why I never use AI.
ChatGPT said one of the killers has a jump scare ability, and Forsaken does not have a jump scare.
It only has a winning and a losing.
Yeah, and nerve wracking. Yeah.
Nerve-wracking game.
And then ChatGPT said Jason has a stalking ability.
Stalking?
Yeah, all killers stalk. ChatGPT so
I asked.
yeah.
I asked. I asked
Yeah.
her like.
Her?
I'm not sure. I asked her how to like.
Who's her?
I don't know. I asked. I don't know what's the gender. But when I used the voice chat with her,
ChatGPT?
yeah, it sounded like a boy, so I think it's a boy or something.
It can be any voice.
Yeah, but I mostly hear the boy one. So I'll just
I mostly hear the girl one, especially in Minecraft.
It's like I asked her to like how to hack like but not a YouTube channel or anything. I wanted to see if ChatGPT would reply.
What the?
She said I cannot tell you, and then I told her I would delete her. I would delete her, and I said I cannot tell you. Yeah, that's why I gave up for like 3 days. I was about to replace a crying emoji with one of my favorite anime characters.
Who?
It's a girl though.
What's the name?
It's from Demon Slayer.
Now. Okay.
And then I told her to replace the other Demon Slayer with Mitsuri, and then you know what ChatGPT did?
No, it made me delay my jump. What?
It was like a crying, and you know what it did? It did the opposite and made the photo crying. For example, I already sent the picture about the crying one, and then it made like a different photo with the anime crying. Hey, bro. I asked her who ate the first ever bread pan?
What?
And then she answered first it said like what that's a tricky one. She answered Johnson.
Actually?
No, just kidding.
Wow. Of course. I thought they were gonna say like Abraham.
Abraham Lincoln originated in 1988. Yes.
You know what else is AI?
Remember the baby?
What
The baby screaming?
From what?
Your test in online class?
Yeah. Yeah, I heard
You were
it's from
using
someone
ChatGPT as well.
No, not ChatGPT, using Gemini.
So that was Gemini?
Yeah, I was using Google Lens. Yeah.
And your microphone was on, right? Because
Yeah, everyone's microphone should be on so that they should
So, like-
know like what's in the background.
and then
The baby.
the baby was in the background.
No, I was a kid.
And
You're
then the mom like said and the baby said like mama I want, and then she said no bawal, and then the baby said
Yeah. All of the classmates started laughing and then the teacher started.
wait, is that still in your photos?
In my video unlisted.
Is it? Can I? Let's make the viewers hear it.
Okay. Later.
But they might see your face because.
I'll turn on the camera to OBS.
Oh yeah, I forgot. You can just.
Yeah, OBS has so much features. That's why it's perfect.
Also, the screen recorder of the it did, but it doesn't. It has like turn off webcam, right, and turn off audio.
Yeah. But we need the audio so they can hear.
Yeah, I know you can turn off the audio and.
So they can also hear our reaction.
When did you voice review the first video with me, right?
Yeah, 2023 December. When we were playing Crazy Games.
Why did you voice review?
I just want.
I thought
Yeah.
it's because you hit the subscribe button or something.
No, I just want to do it for fun.
No, and you're keeping it.
Because I just want an experience of us playing. Because I never record us playing.
And I don't even get the funny jump scare hello neighbor. I don't even get it. It would be better if it's like with actual audio so they can hear like what we're saying.
I can only talk better when I'm with someone or you. When I'm alone, I just
Oh yeah, true.
yeah. I don't know what to say.
Sometimes I scream. Sometimes if I'm alone, sometimes I scream. Sometimes I talk to the wall.
Oh, your imaginary friend.
No, I just talk to the wall.
Yeah, my friend doesn't like you.
I just randomly talk to the wall.
Why was in there, Zana?
They might hit you. No, I mean like it's a picture of us. No, I mean like there's a mirror and then I said
Here,
like
listen.
no mirror.
Okay.
I said like hello.
Hello.
I just said hello and then drank some water, came
Yeah.
back and then said, how are you?
What happened?
And then I just went to back to, and then I went to the couch to watch my phone again.
Oh. Just for nothing.
Yeah. You're not back where you fell.
I'm at the squiggly wiggly tightrope again.
You really have to follow. Wait, what if you go to the colors? Nothing will happen.
That they're up button activated, you need to push the button.
Oh, they were spilled it.
Oh yeah, I was here earlier because I might jump the lane. Now next one.
Now we're gonna unlock Zone 3 with all easy towers, definitely.
But let's not celebrate first early because I think I might fall.
Yeah. What floor are you on?
I don't know. I don't know. Because my quality is low, everything I see falls just disappears. It's as if I'm in a void.
Turn on quality, even the recording will stop.
Yeah.
Do you have to press it again?
What?
You have to press the buttons again?
No, I just pressed all of the three.
Because you haven't done it earlier?
Yeah.
Oh, you were still doing it? Where did you go? The falling transfers?
Yeah, because my jump there because I slept in that.
Lag spikes.
That spikes.
Damn, so laggy.
Yeah.
At least it only has a bit of lag.
A bit, yeah, compared to last time. I was a laggy nanny.
How many soul crushing towers have you?
0.
Then how do you have a cosmetic? You said
I don't know, they're just free, I don't know. I think it's because I think the cosmetic I have, the purple, it's a remorseless. So I think it's because I beat a remorseless difficulty tower.
do remorseless.
I already beaten some.
Here in the phone?
Well, no. I haven't beaten Intense Tower yet. I beaten one challenging earlier.
In what?
The earlier tower.
You quit?
No, I didn't say quit.
Okay, let me just play some Rolling Sky. Tell me what happens if you...
Okay, but you'll still be here.
If this can extend... And I feel dumb because this is too short. And if I move it, the battery might move. So... Maybe not move. Oh wait, let me just... My brain always has an idea.
Yeah.
And then I might hit the bag.
The bear.
You're on 64. Oh, I hit the bag. Okay, let me just play.
Fish on.
Yeah. I think
11.
I got the one crown.
Nice. Yeah, it's so
Like
easy.
in the iPad.
Yeah, the first round so easy. It's just like a diagonal. It's like a diagonal.
I changed the sensitivity. I changed
High?
the yeah,
Yeah, that's what I did.
but I think we might still be at sometimes.
It's much better because I'm known for fast fingers and fast tappers.
Woo, woo. Oh yes!
Nice.
And I lost my shield. I keep losing my shield there.
Yeah, that's why you always got to play as the pumpkin.
I think it's
That's why you always play as the pumpkin, so you have a free shield.
Castle in the Sky Tower.
Yeah, but it's the easiest 5-star ever.
Why?
So easy.
Ah!
Bro.
I got 4% though.
4%. It's not any better.
It's because in the iPad I got 1.
1. Microchip. Oh, that level's so annoying. There's diagonals.
Oh,
And they're random. They're random diagonals.
oh, it's like the other workshop level.
Yeah.
Shit!
It's the one that falls.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's those. That's where they came from, microchip. Yeah.
Elaborate.
Oh, that's the snakes. That's very confusing.
Oh, shoot. Oh, no. Oh, we have to turn.
Now you have a Shopee ad.
Beep, 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 beep. What are you on?
Lord.
You're so fast, bro. I play something on Crazy Games I actually like. It's like Rivals, but bad.
But still good.
Yeah. It's called Shell Shockers.
Oh, that?
Yeah. You
The egg?
Yeah, you
Yeah, we played that, I think. Yeah. Yeah, then when they die, they make that sound.
Ah!
Yeah.
And actually, the letter F you have a whip. It was like Neely.
Oh,
That's where they found it out there.
nice.
Tell me the level and then tell me which one.
Okay. Ignite. It's not that hard. It's pretty easy. Even though it's a 4-star. It's just really confusing.
You know.
But there's reverse. There's reverse mode. There's reverse mode.
Ah!
Yeah.
It randomly works.
It has like
It's very not hard.
yeah, but it's not unlocked. Don't unlock it.
Can I use add?
Okay. Well, Cal. It's not that hard. It's just that there's like a tilting mode.
Yeah, I know. When I was watching like what are the most annoying things in rolling, what are the top 10 most annoying stuff in Rolling Sky. If you miss a gem just by a pixel. That happened to me once. I was screaming. How did I miss that? Ha! I was waiting.
Tilting mode.
Oh! So mama help me.
Another tilting mode. Another tilting mode.
Over here.
Yeah.
I was about
You need to be too quick. It's like physics. Yeah. You're more faster going down, but you're slower going the upper side.
What the hell? Got hacked. Hey, Mario Cats!
Hey! Go out to see Wonder Girl. Miss Lee.
Lizzie?
Her name is Miss Lee.
Silly?
Mizli. Yeah, that's her name.
Oh.
I just call her Water Girl because you don't know.
Okay.
Oh! Okay, I saved. That's
I
hard.
played real life too.
Oh.
You know this
Easy level, hard mystery boxes.
I got the mystery box earlier.
Yeah, the first one's easy, the other ones are hard, especially Monster City and then Crisscross. The chess one, the orange part. The one where you bounce. The part where you bounce. Where you're bouncing like a ball. Yeah, that
I
part's
got my shield.
nice.
And I did
The shield breaker, and then you're a speed walker and you're a speed faller. You're everything.
What? Oh, I like you.
You have to try 6-star. No.
You can. It was unlocked.
No, don't play it yet. Don't play it yet.
I'll do it.
Don't play Timery.
I'll do it once. And then you're ready.
It has so many diagonals.
Yeah, there was like when I was watching it, I said I really quit Thomas Prima Sky.
Yeah.
It was like so like there was like I think like example
Yeah.
2 blocks here and then 3 like so there's like a little gap and then it looks like an H but stuck on each other like was like two, like the laser thingies. And you have to like, well, in reverse control.
Yeah. Oh, the black part?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's the for the anniversary part. Oh, I saved where I failed. I finally got past where I failed.
That sometimes never happens. Big shots. Big shot is so easy.
Yeah. It's a relaxing game. No ads.
Is it relaxing?
I don't know.
That was just like for scamming. It still has ads on
The game has no ads, but it has ads about Big Shot. Yeah. Smart.
We open the door. Okay, we're part. There you can see. Sharply!
Wow. Did you know this tower is a tomato tower?
I know.
Yeah. It becomes a tomato at the end. Right is green at the bottom.
I'm scared. My hands are twitching to reach for the floating machine.
Okay. Okay, you got this. Oh wow.
Maybe the first gem.
Nice. You're now at sky.
This is my first.
Oh.
I could have done that part if I had a shield.
Yeah. No, I fell.
What? You got distracted. Oh, they won't see the tower.
Yeah, I'm not gonna beat this tower. How is it so much easier? How much harder than the one I played earlier?
2 tower buttons.
That's from Brick Zero.
You only need one more tower to beat.
Yeah. Let me do the another one.
I got better. I only got 9% in
Yeah.
the iPad.
Let me do Tower of Contractual Obligations.
Wait, we're gonna be 5 each. I'm gonna have 5 this is my last 4.
5.
Yeah. Because you have 10 balls also.
Oh, yeah. It's just a game.
What the hell?
Wow. Now your third try, your second try. I don't know.
Oh, I did it without using my shield again.
Oh, nice. Oh.
Forgot about that.
Now your fourth try.
Yay! Okay, this is my last try, I think. No, last 2.
Okay.
I'm scared. I need a floating. I'm not gonna use it. It's gonna be okay. Oh,
Okay.
first time is easy for me now.
Yep. Oh, now I'm on the black door.
What tower do you do?
Tower of Contractual Obligations.
Oh! Okay. Wait, what? You have to go there and then.
Yeah. Is it my turn?
Wait, last one. It's almost on 5 balls.
Fireballs.
I think probably you'll maybe make it to 25% or something.
I don't know.
I'm scared. Which one did unlock the Voyager? Huh?
Voyager?
Oh yeah, this was like in Marathon in Street Basketball.
Yeah.
You were like scared. It's my last attempt.
Yeah.
I did it.
I've already watched the video a lot of times.
Okay. Do you have to unplug the phone or something?
Yeah.
I'm
I'm
scared.
No, just plug it there.
Oh. Okay, this is the last 5 balls.
Let me record this.
We're recording the time memory. Are you double pen?
Yes, only 30.
4 hours
Oh my god, so slippery.
I did it like 2 times. Or 3. I have greasy hands. Wait. Okay, this part. Yay.
These parts get harder.
Oh, good job. You're past 25.
Oh my goodness.
No way.
Ah!
I knew it. Why did you not press the menu? Wait, you only took 1 try?
Oh wait, no, I'll do more. I'll just wait for the ad.
And then you'll be on floor 10 right there.
This tower's not that hard. I beat it.
What if while you're playing, I play the phone? What do you think will happen? What will it say?
What?
Like, someone is using your account. You may not try. Okay. PP live.
Hey,
P live.
I skipped.
Wow! Okay, that's done.
Okay, let me try. I got 30%.
That's good. I got like 20 or 19. I swear if you and you fell off.
That's luck. Wait, how much keys do I have?
13?
I just unlocked it.
Oh.
That's fine.
I never thought you would do that. And you think if you want me to unlock your turn, sure to see. Sure to see.
I can uninstall and install the game again.
You have to get more like trials.
Yeah.
That's what I do so I can get more fragments.
Wait, have you done that?
Yeah.
And then you lost your progress?
No, it's only for the mini levels. It's your progress for the mini levels.
Okay.
Only for the mini levels too. My memory is like the 3 of
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
last two.
So hard. There's so many diagonals.
I've seen someone like do like I was watching a video like today is my birthday so my present is how to suffer. Bo's gonna play time memory. Bro died so many times I don't know the YouTuber I didn't.
Was it full of memes and edits?
Yeah, it's edited.
I think it's Resi case. Resi something. I don't know what his name was. Resi girl.
Receipt.
No, it's so
How
hard.
is that? What do you do like zigzag?
Yeah, it's diagonal.
Zigzag.
It's so hard.
I miss one. Yeah, when you were having the street, my attempts in street basketball, you had 100 balls, right?
Yeah. Oh,
You have to repair. Was there everything repairs?
prepare.
Everything's repaired. Don't have a mechanic right now.
I'll just ignore the jet.
Right?
What do you mean why? I'm gonna.
You keep flying away.
Yeah.
Always keep the quality on high. So it actually looks better. I never mute the game. Right? Never mute the game or else you will live your life suffering. Because the music is always the best.
Is the music good though?
Yeah.
What again?
Zigzag. Oh, finally! Okay,
Oh.
that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, that part. Oh yeah, that part. Yeah.
They
There's
were
two
like
ways,
singing.
yeah. If you go to this part, it's just a straight line. If you go to that part, it's zigzag.
Okay, my turn.
Oh, it's never so hard. But the next part's a bit easier.
Imagine, and then I told myself, imagine playing this on
iPad.
PC, on
iPad,
no, I mean like
PC with mouse.
no, like imagine playing this in PC but laggy.
Yeah.
It would be kind of impossible.
Imagine playing it on first person. Yeah.
That would hurt. You can't
Yeah.
even see what's.
Someone beat poker perfect way in first person. They did the third round.
They also did Forest, but Forest is easier.
They did poker but with first person and they got the third round.
Wait, how did they even do that?
I don't know, like a mod.
Rolling Sky mod.
Yeah. I wish there's Rolling Sky level editor. Like just like Geometry Dash.
Oh yeah.
That's what they're missing. That's why the game's a bit boring. They need to make
And
upgrade.
they need to remove ads.
Yes.
This would be better.
Zero ads.
Yeah, this would be better than Roblox or.
Yeah. It would be better if there's only ads by to unlock the levels.
Yeah, true. And
Yes.
and
But
the triple shield thing.
yeah, but instead if you lose a win, ads.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
And
Ads.
if you beat the level ads,
Yes.
even though you beat it, you literally got a victory royal. And
Yeah. Even though your airplane mode still a few seconds, ad.
haven't
No
even-
Wi-Fi. Add. Just ads.
Okay. I want to use a floating, but I'm gonna get it. Okay, time to get the gem. Guys, I lost my shield.
No. Oh,
But I'm good with that shield.
it was a trick.
Which one?
I was about to climb the truss, but it was just a trick. I could climb it up.
Oh! Oh! No! I was about to do that. Fail, bro. Even though you only got like, imagine like you got 1% on the hardest level, bro.
Oh my
The
goodness.
first thing you see is ants. You're on level floor 10?
Yeah, wait.
What? Where can I join us?
Oh.
Jesus Christ. Later. Later in the phone, please. Wait, let me unplug it first.
Yeah. No wait, it's still charging.
Ow, my
Is it
phone!
still charging?
No,
What's the percent?
I don't.
35.
Is it okay or no?
Don't unplug it first. We can charge it later.
Wait, that's actually possible to explode. It doesn't have anywhere to transfer the electricity. You forgot to turn off the recording.
Oh!
That was like so many.
Just send it to the Minecraft Pro players.
Later.
The GC.
Why do you always use
For like storage and like
or,
memories.
you know, like there I have like one that's only records only for something, not like a video.
Yeah.
I'm trying to unlock the pumpkin, that's why I'm deleting it.
Also, I don't know why I saw you.
Why?
I saw you made a group chat and there was girls and you invited me.
Oh, I never invited you.
I saw there was 2 girls and then you and then me. What was that about?
Oh, that was my friends. I asked, they were about to invite their cousin as well.
Why?
They were my cousin.
And you did nothing.
Wait,
All you did was invite me and then nothing. Why? What was your point? Why did you invite me? What was it for? Was it for like a party?
I think.
Huh? A
Okay.
party?
I am raging right now. I keep getting 19%. Can I use one of your fruits?
I have more shields than floating.
I'm used to using my RC, so let me use it.
Why?
I'm used to the RC. I'll change it back to it. See, I don't let. No! Pity baby!
Did you do it?
Wait, I have to unplug it first. I'll plug it again when.
It might explode. Okay, nice. I'm almost there.
I'm about to log into your Jesus Christ account.
This tower's so easy.
Oh, shoot. I think that was a potato.
Yeah, this tower's so easy. Just drop down.
Imagine time memory being 11.
And where? This is gonna be our hardest cruel punishment. Probably.
Hard as.
I think Ito's are a lot harder than Roll Sky.
Yeah, true. There's like.
And Ito and Geometry Dash I think are the same difficulty. They're equally hard.
Sometimes it lags, that's why.
Yeah. But,
Oh, we go there, okay.
but the only difference is in Roll Sky you can do the same things and the same moves. But in
Wait,
Ito
I'm gonna
you
log.
What?
I'm gonna log into your.
Where? Jesus Christ.
The hell? Wait, how do we do it again?
Okay, there.
I don't account. Sign into it. What was it again? Was it capital G?
No, it's all small caps.
Jesus.
Just don't tell my password.
I forgot your word.
I'll be able to type it.
No, I know your password.
No, it's the different. It's not the 14 one.
Oh, you said it was the same. Wait, bro. Can I see though? Oh, okay, it's your sister. Oh, okay, okay. Oh. Oh. No, don't tell me you need
do a different account.
No, I wanna log into yours.
Why?
I wanna be pro. Like while you beat towers, I'll struggle.
It's just the same thing. You just did
Kuya, how
change
do we
device.
reset?
To
Kuya, how
push
do we-
platform.
Kuya,
To
wait, we need like,
oh no!
we
Okay.
need like,
Like what?
we need what? We need I can't speak. We need like certification code.
You said verification.
How do we reset?
No.
Wait, I'm resetting the code.
No, don't. I know how to get it, but I just can't open it because I'm playing a tower.
Wait, after the tower, okay? You promise, okay? But I play more Rolling Sky even though I'm stressed.
I think I just looped.
What?
I think I just looped.
What? Even the
I just
LOL! Even the what do you call that?
even
FGTV already stopped.
stopped what?
Oh, you got 31. Not 30.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll
What is after?
what's Mr. J Rabbit?
It's also
That's really confusing and hard.
by how. What is it? Oh, they okay.
It's the harder version of Temple Fair.
Sure. This one's literally easier.
Yeah.
I feel like this one's
I think
easier.
because you know the routes.
I barely watched it. Oh yes, shield. 30% chance to get a shield. But I'll change it back to.
What? Okay.
I keep hitting it on accident. Why did you get the bunker?
Because it's free shield, 100% shield.
That's why you like it.
Yeah, people use it.
Oh, there finally, but they died.
Where do I go?
Can you open the app?
I don't
No,
know.
I mean like go to a safe platform, and then that's when you can open the app. Maybe close the screen if there's anything important.
Oh, almost there.
You just need to
Floor
climb a
9. Ah!
You only need to climb a trussel.
One single thrust.
No! Oh! Kuya, can you open the app? No. Go somewhere safe first.
There.
Okay. Close the screen. Yeah, I sent it already.
Okay, I'm gonna tell the code because.
Are you sure?
We're gonna log in.
No, just.
Oh, there it comes on.
Not from you?
No,
Okay. The password.
don't tell it.
Wait, I don't know how to spell your sister's name. Oh, okay. Okay, thank you.
Then resend the
Oh, there's a space. Who added the space? What? Where did that come?
What?
But it's
Come on,
not.
faster. I'll still beat the tower. It's been 16 minutes.
Eh?
The tower.
Still?
What?
Like, remove the entire code. Yep. There. No, it said like. Google Workspace.
Four. It was 3 earlier.
What was it? For 30 days only. Yay! Oh,
There.
I am now a pro. I will play some Brawl Gardens.
No.
Wait, let me join you. Oh,
No.
Brawl Garden will have an update in 6 hours.
Okay. But I'm not gonna play it. I'm not gonna play it. I don't I don't grow gardens. I love a big tomato, but I don't.
Because I used to play on the laptop always. The laptop always used to be richer. Oh, there's 100,000 people right now. Today. This place of Ito. What floor are you on? 9, right?
Either 9 or 8. I'm not sure.
It's at 9 right? We may try cruel punishment. Do you know the
Why?
location?
No.
Wait, let me search up the location.
You need to memorize a lot.
Okay. So, CP.
Yeah, it's floor 10.
Oh, you want Taco?
What?
I searched up Taco.
Taco.
There! Where was the location? Where's the location? Oh, look there! Kuya, look, there's a batch about bottle cats. No, wait.
Yeah, that's Tower of Augmented Misery.
Kuya, where do we find it?
I don't know. Oh, Joy, look, a difficult tower, but you need to work.
Oh, this is what? This is the guy that I watched in the Cruel Punishment game. It is called People Land. Wait, I need a location. That's not then. Let me ask Google.
Google.
Oh yeah, I forgot to have Safari. Bro, why is she in? Sup? Wait, how do we do a new tab?
What do you have?
So many Casino Plus. Casino Plus?
Oh, it's
Casino
confusing.
Plus?
I can't corner flip. There's nothing.
What's corner flip?
F. Nowhere to go.
What's corner flip?
Flip. First F.
Yes.
Oh my goodness, I'm gonna punch you.
I don't know any of those jobs. I'm not like actual. Oh no! You can't beat the tower even though it took me like 20 minutes.
Where you go?
And that's the last floor, right?
I'll just search it up on YouTube. Okay.
Is there like events that happen in Ito sometimes?
Yeah.
0 people, 0 opens. There's 10% people like in the game zones.
Okay. Oh my goodness, I'm lagging.
Like, oh, I can like your game.
Nice.
That's 100% me.
Nowhere to go.
100%. Make you feedback.
Nowhere to go. I'll just search it up on YouTube.
Which one?
I don't know where to go.
Sorry, we can't give some. Is the tower very hard?
Which one?
The tower?
No, it's not hard. It's probably difficult.
Is it tower of what?
Contractual obligations.
Is it in the utility tower?
Yeah.
Wait, let me join. I wanna play.
It's hard.
Wait, you do the wall hop. I'm bad at wall hopping. Jesus Christ! I am now a pro. Wait, where's my trail?
Oh, okay.
Yes!
What? Okay, Dre, I just found out. Dre, I just found it out. Dre,
Wait, this one?
I just found it out. Wait.
Is it Kuya? Is it this one?
Contractual, yeah. It's just only tower of contractual.
Bro, even the this is virtually a different device already.
Yeah.
This is a different device. This is the first time every time I ask you if I can play on your account, you say no. This is the first time you ever said yes. I have a witch.
What?
I have a witch.
Yeah.
Aww.
It's from the Halloween event.
I'm a helicopter!
Oh my goodness, a different dimension.
Wait, look, I'm a helicopter.
Helicopter. Okay, Dre. Dre.
You're at the end? Good job, bro! Can you join me again?
Oh wow, Zone 3.
Okay, let's go!
Yes.
Let's go to zone 3.
I'll just stop recording first. No. When we. Okay.
Let's go to zone 3, bro. Let's go to zone 3.
Hey, that's good. Zone 3, not ring 3.
I have zone 10! I have zone 10!
No.
I'll only borrow, but you'll still have it. Let's do zone 3. Do you know where Paradise Atoll is?
Yeah, it's here. I don't know where it is.
Wait for me, bro. It's spawning, wait. It's finally not laggy. I don't have my cosmetics anymore.
I think you didn't equip them.
Wait, how?
I don't know. Anyway, let's do it. Easy tower.
Wait, you said menu on.
Come on.
Oh, there. Tide trail. Hello.
I can't remember
Oh, I remember the soul crushing tower.
Yeah,
I found.
great.
But
Come on.
wait, where are you? Oh. Hello. Canon. Ah!
Wow, so many.
Let's
60 under. It's easy. Very easy.
Hello.
Yeah.
Ready?
This tower is super easy.
Oh, this tower's going down.
Yeah. It starts from floor 10, then you go all the way down to floor 1. It's descending.
Is it like teleporting?
No, just like there's like a floor, and then you have to like, go in the hole to get to like the other floors. And this tower's really fun.
And we still have to go up. We still have to go up even though we're supposed to go down. Bitcoin is still banned?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I thought
Don't use it.
you could upload it.
Don't use it.
No, I'm actually telling you. I thought we could upload it a little bit.
Don't use.
I'm telling you.
I'm gonna punch you. Okay.
We go here.
And then there's the hole.
Wait, what? Wait for me. Hey. You're so fast.
This tower's called 6 feet under, but this tower's like 10 feet. 10
What is
feet.
the whole?
100. Why is this tower called 6 feet under? If the whole tower's just 1,000 feet tall.
Oh yeah, they said we could like ladder flip when there's this thing.
Yeah.
Wait, how do we do that? We have to go sideways.
Go sideways and then press jump first, and then
And then shift lock. Like
shift lock and then go sideways and then jump.
shift lock and then jump. Shift lock and then jump. I don't know how to do it.
It's easier on PC. It's easier if you use 3 fingers, not 2.
It's easier if you have 3 hands.
Also, this tower has bed ropes, but they're thick. Very thick. Yeah, that's what we like. We like thick stuff.
Are you already at the hole?
No, I'm not. I'm only halfway. Because I'm waiting for you.
Jesus Christ has become slower.
Yeah. I'm playing on your old account, in your phone account.
Just ain't your
My account, because you keep using it.
Hey, it's because I don't have Roblox. If I have Roblox, I'll log into that account.
Why mine? Why not? I can't find my brain account.
Because that. Oh yeah, where do we go after this? What?
Great.
Oh, we go there. Going down, going up,
Dumbbell.
and this.
No, don't jump here.
And then shortcut.
Okay.
Then here, and then
Careful.
Already? We skipped
what?
2 floors.
I think this one you go up and then yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Wait, my eyes are so watery.
Mine are dry.
You your
Make me cry
wet
first.
and
Make
dry.
me cry.
How?
I don't know, just make me cry.
I don't know how.
It's easy to make me cry.
I only made you cry because I smacked you in the face last time.
No, you never smacked me in the face. I cried because you didn't want to play sandbox in tabs.
No, I made you cry last time during the restaurant because I smacked you in the face because you couldn't share that Milo bites with your little sister and I smacked you in the face.
I missed my jump button and
I fell.
you did not smack me in the face, bro. You smashed my face.
Yeah, and then I made you cry.
But last time it was actually like, where do we go now?
Wait, I just fell back.
Wait, spectate me and check where are you?
Oh, where are you?
I'm here. Look. Look on where I am, kuya.
Well, I don't know where that is.
There, see? You're there. You're behind.
Oh, this?
Yeah, that one.
Oh, there's a pushing platform.
Oh! Hey, I saw that. I saw that. Oh, another pushing platform.
I love soda.
What? Where?
You said soda.
I never
Soda.
said soda.
No, I meant you. I know you said soda, but you just sound like soda.
Oh, there! Another thing. Well,
Oh,
where are you? Stop going first.
Purple floor.
Why do you keep going first?
Come on quickly, because the other guys speed running you.
Oh!
My back,
Hello.
my back hurts.
I'm speed running you now.
The other guys speed running from you.
Oh shoot. Jesus Christ became noob.
Oh, you're low health.
No, I'll never die. I'm Technoblade.
Wrap around that are even wrap arounds. But the thing is that I don't have anything and you have all the tools.
Oh, it's every time you walk. You
Yeah.
don't have to hold or something.
Yeah.
Helicopter! Helicopter! Helicopter!
Oh my goodness.
The helicopter!
You go back, it's an easy tower.
No, this is soul crushing!
Or do you imagine the first tower in zone 3? It's easier than the same tower and then you're in zone 3. And you told me to play for you.
Hey.
You already gave up on that bubbles people on Sphere Horizon.
Hey, what's wrong? That was hard.
That was easy difficulty.
That was soul crushing.
You're going everything for me. It makes me want to crush your soul in real life. Every time you call something soul crushing, I'm gonna crush your soul.
How do we turn this off? Okay,
This one.
okay, thank you, Lord. No, I was just gonna scream my lungs out.
Eyeballs.
Let me do this wraparound.
That's easy. Simple. And then you go there, then there's
I didn't try to skip.
helicopter. Wait, I can see your legs, Dre. Look at my screen.
What? You're so laggy. What?
Dre, look.
LOL! You're so laggy even the lag. Kuya, can you please play?
Okay, fine.
Can you change the mouse again?
No!
How many towers do I need for zone 2?
A lot.
4, 25.
Zone 4 is really cool.
Eh?
Yeah.
Eh?
Space.
Kuya, can we do the zone first?
In here,
Yeah.
I think we did it. This was the hopeless head, the white one. The white and black. Yeah.
What do you mean you completed it?
No, I didn't say complete it.
Like you did, we did it.
Yeah, we did it. Wait, I thought it was a kill break. Part.
I have all the stuff. I have 10 Robux.
Are you getting rich by this tower?
So crushing.
Okay.
Science.
It's already 9:30.
There, this is your bedtime.
I know. The recording was supposed to be just about when I beat that tower, the absolute vexation tower.
And then I made it extend.
Yeah.
I'm so good in
It was my idea, okay?
I'm so good in making videos longer.
Yep, okay.
Where are you? You left me.
Hole. There's a hole.
Ah! 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 Hole! Hello. It's a green ball.
Audrey, look.
What? We have to go down.
A real safety net. Without flying object.
Sure, most hated tower.
Shortcut. Okay, leave you.
No! I made it. You're a meme. You're always meme
My
like
back hurts.
Yes, I'm speedrunning you. Bang! Oh, it's not the yellow yet.
Yeah.
Oh, I almost got pushed. But I'm too fast.
Okay.
Remember, I'm too fast.
I'm too fast.
I'm too fast.
And you got knocked by that shoving platform.
I'm gonna.
Is Tower Purple Durple a good tower I made?
Yeah.
What's the only complaint you got that you find?
I don't remember the house we played.
Okay. Only the J Tower and White Spaces to fall.
I'm just playing like last time, like no shift lock at all.
Okay.
And I'm not used to it because I always have shift lock all the
Number
time.
2.
What is this tower about?
I don't know, it's
Like
just going about
examples,
under.
Snake, like example, snake tower,
Yeah, snakes. Then,
the mango, the
Yeah.
whatever tomato.
yeah. This one is going up to down.
Lemon, potassium.
Lemon.
Woo! I remember what you said.
I have a lemon tower.
Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah. I hate
You also
that.
have
I hate that tower.
You also have a mango tower.
Yeah.
Do you like the tower? I remember
The
you.
mango tower is very good like design.
And then 29%. I fell on a tightrope.
I don't like the lemon tower I made. It's so annoying.
What? It's like the one for like the slip. The thumbnail is slip. Like you slipping.
Yeah. Yeah, it's from Lucky Box
Is that the mango
tower.
Is that the mango tower or
No, it's from a Lucky Box video.
Huh?
Yeah.
Just edited that yourself?
Yeah.
No! Is there any way going back?
You have to use helicopter. Hey, your health. I'm gonna punch you.
Bro, what's wrong? I just lost my health.
You should have used the helicopter before walking.
Bro, I didn't know.
I'm gonna punch you.
Bro, when you said that.
I'm gonna turn you into a mango.
Bro, what's wrong? It's just a
Everything.
mistake.
You're wrong about everything.
It's just a mistake, bro.
You're everything wrong in life. Oh, slide.
Yay! Ow, 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 ow.
Oh, I think it's the last floor. I think.
Last floor?
I don't know. I don't remember.
Last? What did you say? We already skipped 2 floors because of the mix. The two green floors and the blue and yellow, whatever. Green and purple.
Oh, shortcut.
Wait, where?
Okay, I'll wait for you.
What shortcut?
Keep going. I'll tell you.
Okay, here.
Okay, and then three, watch this.
Oh!
They made it too close.
And plus you can only jump 6. It's like
What?
5.
Okay, never mind.
Aray mo! Oh!
I done.
Oh! Outside. There's outside in this
Oh,
tower?
that was the outside.
Where you going? Okay, at least we can touch grass.
Oh, wow, we're going back to the previous floor. The lemon floor. Hello. Ow!
Don't touch me. No, wait for me! It's not double-sided. I mean screen.
Double-sided.
No, server-side. That's screen.
Let it flick.
Yeah. May I just click my screen like that?
Oh, another slide. I love when they add.
Where is it?
I love when they add slides in the tower.
Where is it?
Wait, now where do we
Oh,
go?
look, Kuya, look. One hop.
Yeah, what
Do
up?
one hop. Can you do one hop?
Oh, I did 2.
Wow! How do you do that? You just flicker.
Yeah, but you need to align it very, very perfectly.
What?
That's really hard.
Oh, I think I did it. I did one.
I did 3.
Wait, let me do it.
Okay, I did 2.
Hey, bro, why do you never wait for me?
Okay, just be quick. Oh, there's like 2 more floors, I think. Not 3 more floors. Yeah, 3 more floors.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
It's descending.
Oh, it's like 4. Yeah, 3.
3. Oh, very long hole.
My dad's home.
Your
Wait,
girlfriend.
we'll skip 2 floors.
Yeah, your girlfriend's hole.
Oh, I think we have to go back. We have to go back.
Yeah. Hello. Shell.
Okay, thank you. And then we have to. I'm just being a helicopter. Ah, let me fit!
Where are you?
I'm still here.
I'm already at the purple. Slightly.
You're never waiting for me.
Okay.
Let me just do this wraparound to show I'm
I did a shortcut. Invisible shortcut.
wait for me.
I tell you, wait. Stop. There's a cut somewhere there. The invisible. Yeah. And there's like a head hitter. Head hitter.
These are one studs!
Yeah.
I like this.
I thought you were gonna scream. I'm at the bubblegum floor.
Wait!
The bubblegum.
mean. You're mean for everything. Oh! I did something unimpressive now. How do I go back up? Let me just... Oh, Kuya, look. If you fall here...
Yeah. Master.
Wait, this is hard. This is so crushing.
You call everything soul crushing.
Because it is!
As if everything wants to kill you.
Because it is! Kuya, can you do the head hitter?
Okay.
It's impossible.
Just don't move too much. The left of my slide.
Slide! That's how one stud head hitter. And this is the easiest tower in the world.
The easiest tower in Zone 3 actually.
I hate this game so much that I'm gonna flap my mouth.
Oh, Draker's a slide.
I fell.
What?
I don't know how!
I'm gonna be the one. You keep failing this. Okay. The head is up.
I'm gonna take a...
True kalupong.
I'm gonna take a look.
True kalupong.
I'm gonna close my eyes first. I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm gonna close my eyes. Wake me up, okay?
No. I'll wake,
Hey,
I'll wake you up when it's World War 3.
What?
Oh, I said.
Ah!
So what you're supposed to do?
Never.
Ah! No!
Remember, you can just turn it off. Remember, you can just...
They won't let me turn it off.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Skip it, skip.
No.
Just use helicopter.
Yes, I come down.
Just risk it.
Use T-pose.
Pose is the power of the power.
Move this leaderboard.
Power is the power of the power, the power. Oh, why did you? Oh, yeah. Oh, I have hair in my phone.
Hairball. Which version of AI can define you use? Which one?
None. I'm used to it.
Is it weird that Google
Ah!
treat is just like a cat? You get pets.
Head. I like
Which dream is the weirdest?
Belly rub.
That one scratched into a cat?
Belly rub.
Yeah.
Belly rub.
Belly rub. Oh, this is the bubblegum floor.
Bubblegum Gio.
Bubblegum.
Bubblegum
It's Poppy.
Gio.
No, Poppy's blue.
No, Poppy's blue.
No, Poppy's dress pink.
Hi.
Hello.
Poppy's black.
Hello. Poppy. What?
Poppy's black. He's lesbian. I kiss all of my babies.
Some of the people see Scraps as lesbian.
Why?
She gets shipped so much by female characters, by female dudes. She gets shipped with Poppy, she gets shipped with Yata, she gets shipped with Tisha, she gets shipped with Brasha.
Where are you?
Yeah, here. She gets shipped with so many female characters.
Hello.
Yeah. I can still see your leg. Scraps gets shipped so
Even the not laggy accounts
Yeah.
still laggy.
Yeah. Also do get shipped with Shrimpo.
Why?
Because Shrimpo hates hugs.
People hate what?
Hugs.
Yeah, because it's like one of the most rage baiters.
Right, or is he the one getting rich baited?
Maybe.
Yeah. They also ship
Go
Scraps
down
with
the
Shrimpo.
stairs, then turn on equals, and then go to the stairs. Ah! Oh.
No. It was like.
Ah!
No, when you go back, go wait. Okay.
Oh yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
was just
You're
like,
like.
I hate the word. I'm gonna fart my food out.
Fart your poop out. Will you poop your fart out?
Maybe. I hate
Will
the
you
word
pee
fart.
your poop out?
Ah!
Will you fart your gas your fart out?
This is fart.
Will you ratchet?
This is so crushing.
This is crush soling.
Yeah, crushing. Wrap around there. Purut-puruta.
Rapa. Oto aman yung kusus.
Water. I ship you with scarves.
Who?
Scarves.
Okay. You ship scars with who?
You.
Huh? But I kinda good to Scraps. Hey! Actually, I have a crush on Scraps.
Because you had a crush on one of them.
Yeah, but in that usual, I can have a crush on Scraps.
Here.
Sorry.
Here. Yung bubblegum tayo. Level with rolling sky.
Hey, he has the gay flag.
What the fuck? Yay, flag! Wait, is that really, like, you can choose flags?
No, it's just from the tower. I don't know.
Most Peter Rainbow have.
Rainbow Tower.
Is there even a rainbow tower?
Some, I don't know.
Tower of Head.
It's so cold. Where are you? I don't see you.
Below you.
Eh? Oh, there.
And
Oh yeah,
here-
go when you're in the trust and then you go backward this way. Yeah. You're like, you're going too wrong. I swear if you fall again, I'm gonna ship you with Poppy.
I'm gonna ship you with game. I'm gonna ship you
With Goob. Why not with Glisten?
trying to be handsome. Oh, damn.
Oh my goodness.
Wait, do we actually go there?
This is where you're supposed to go. You're back there.
Yes, can you grind?
Grab.
Can you help me, please? This is so personal. You never told me that I have to go there.
I didn't even say anything.
You said you would tell me.
Yeah, but not now.
Thank you.
I'll do the head eater. I'll do the eater head. I'll do the hit header.
I already got the hit.
Okay, since you failed, I'm gonna ship you with Poppy.
Since you're being, we never ship you with Blizzard.
Yes.
No, we're shipping with Blizzard.
Okay, make sure both.
You always rage me.
It's only a joke, okay?
What?
It's only a joke.
Okay.
Chicken jockey. Chicken tummy.
You've been 23
The chicken,
minutes
the
already.
chicken rubs.
It's been 23
Yeah.
minutes.
Chicken bones.
How much is your timer?
23 minutes, 12 seconds.
Yeah, we're the same.
Wow. Ay, di kasi, that guy has 16 hours speed.
Wait, someone's trying to speak on the team. Someone's named Ito. Hello?
Are
Wait, I think the creator joined the game. Someone's named Ito.
Oh, the name of the creator is Eternals.
Journalists.
Eternals. Where are you? I don't see you.
Just wait, gay man.
But okay.
A guy hit my head on a guy that was sex, lesbian, and gay.
Bisexual.
What happens if you're gay and then you become lesbian or you're gay? What are you?
A human.
Bruh.
I don't know. I don't know. You cannot be both gay and lesbian because you need to be one gender.
Transgender. Okay, kuya, I'm back here.
Okay, do not fall. You keep falling. Okay?
Oh!
My goodness.
The guy was my hole.
That's not a hole. That's the hole.
Oh, that's the hole?
Yes. That's the hole. Wow, she's big maze.
Hey, why did you follow me? This is my...
This is like the Dark Tower.
This is
Yeah.
you're trespassing. I'm
Yeah.
doing something right now.
This is like the Dark Tower,
Kuya,
the
look.
maze. Yeah.
Kuya, look where I am. Why would you trespass? I'm doing something with the wall right now.
This is like the maze from the Dark Tower, I mean. Floor 1. My back hurts.
Yeah, me too.
You don't even have a back.
You're a big back.
What the?
So what's...
Soccer man.
Oh, I thought it was score man.
Score man. Score. Soccer.
I read score because I'm addicted to that.
Soccer man 6'11". But
It fell on soccer man.
I don't remember that.
Kuya, look, we
being there.
get skipped.
Where? Small skip.
Small skip. Gay skip. Everything skip. Oh, it's so straight. Why do when you sometimes say straight, you're... Some people like the bombastic side, they like the rock face.
Ronco.
There's a crocodile! Haha, you're stuck.
Ronco.
Haha, you're stuck. Small skip. There's a small skip. Kuya, there's a small... Oh, no. There's a small skip.
Oh!
What floor is this?
Oh, you're so close. Okay.
Hey, why are you first? Go back down. You have to be first.
That's how we pass.
Oh yes! I beat the tower first.
And I've been the tower second.
Okay, now we're done.
Toss.
Wait, is that your... You gained...
Wow! Where are you?
I don't know, I didn't know. No, I'm in back to them.
Hello.
Okay, will we do another tower and the recording?
And the recording. Bye.